Okay guys, welcome in this little tutorial. It's very fast tutorial because I want to show you how to integrate my two tools I created in this time. Here in Houdini 16, here you can come here, you can create a geometry swap, you can also delete that, and you can create, for example, another object like a pig head, for example, and pighead here you can also use here the and with in the last time I create the split RGB and volume fracture. In volume fracture is very fast. You can just click here and you can see now you have some destroy element, because these tools essentially it's the way also you can apply only the path for your geometry without to use the connection, but sometimes the connection is very good. You can see with the volume you can have here the destroy, the fracturing, but what is the difference between, for example, the classic system you can create with the volume? It's the difference is here you can, with the volume, for example here with the volume size I can give more volume size. You can change the position here from the volume, and this is maybe is more comfortable in some case. And also you can apply the extra like the noise here, and you can just change, for example, a little bit, and you can have the difference effect when you have here your, you can see here with the volume, here you have the difference effects of this distribution of your points with the volume, and this is very comfortable. For example, also you can add not here but here in the fracturing, the noise, you can apply the noise, and you can apply the difference effects here, and you can apply also the a little part, you can have more different situation, but for now I want to go only to use the basic system. Why I do that? Because the core of this video is how to use, for example, the split RGB. Split RGB, if you have, for example, some particular situation when your geometry is more complex and you have more pieces, you can also use that. Maybe you working with the low machine, not on the workstation, or you want, for example, split some part of that. You can use, for example, the color, and with the color you can divide that, and you can apply, for example, the difference area, and you can say, hey, this area, for example, I want to have the difference behaviors with respect to the other element. You can have here or here. Okay, this is very comfortable for have the different situation. Why I create that? Because one my student in Italy is say, hey, I have a problem with my machine, I can't export all part, or I want to export some part, for example, some part of my simulation. You can export like this or this. This is very comfortable for that, for example. Also, there is another tools in is the Plexus tools, and Plexus is work on the other version, other release of Houdini. But yes, it's very nice. Is for create, for example, the nice effects of Plexus in 3D inside Houdini. Okay. Another tools I want to go to create in the next time is for working with the pyro, for example, but we can talk about that in the next time. These tools, for example, the split is free. You can find free on Gamma Rod or on QBrush, And also that the volume fracture, you can have one version is light version with some limitation, but you can find also that is for free. You can use that without problem. You can download and use that. And if you use in your production, please say my website or say the name of the tools you used. So have a nice day.